In this video, I will show you how to remove a pin from your Roku TV. So if right now you need to enter a pin to add new apps or to take certain actions, and you want to remove that, what you want to go and do is just download the Roku app on your phone or go to the Roku website and from there sign into your account that you also use on your Roku TV. Now after doing that, just go to the account section and click My Account. Then from here under device settings, you want to go and click on pin/parental controls. And then here you can see currently you have the pin right here. You can go and change it right here without needing to enter your old pin, just enter your new one. But what you can also do is just set it to don't require a pin, then click save. And now you don't need a pin to do anything within your Roku TV. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.